Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Lisa's viral money outfit. So if you're ready to surf major K-pop energy in DTI, in this stylish step-by-step tutorial, we are going to recreate Lisa's iconic money MV outfit with all the attitude and glam you need to steal the spotlight. So this is the outfit for the money, actually not the outfit, the performance I think, and I'm going to show you how you can create this one. So first, for the hair you need to use these code items, this one, this pigtails, and toggle it into no bangs and change the color into this brown color like this. Then you're going to put on these bangs right here. So let's just go to the hair salon and put on these bangs in here, this one with the same color. And let's start for the outfit here. So for the top, I'm going to use these tank tops in here, this one, and I'm going to change the materials into matte, change the color into this pink color, the third one on the list. And for the pants, I'm going to use this baggy jeans from the men's section, and I'm going to change the color into the pink color again. Sorry, the second one, the pink color is the second one. And then you're going to put on this hand warmer and change the color again with pink. Now let's just put on this shoes in here. Use the sticker and change the color into white. Except for the third one, I'm going to change it into this one. Okay, now you're done with the shoe, and let's just put on this accessory. First, I'm going to put on this wireless microphone, and then I'm going to put on this necklace here. This one in here. And I'm going to change the color like this, and you are done. So that's all for me. Whether you're playing or just want to turn heads on the runway, this one is a must watch. Hit that like, subscribe, and drop money in the comments if you're loving Lisa's look. And don't forget to click on the thanks button. Bye!